For watching how to program a Fire Stick. Just picked up this new one because my other one broke, and now we're gonna program it. Just picked it up with my old unit. All you're gonna do is hold the home button for 10 seconds, and then it will program. So that's all we really gotta do. How simple is that? So hold the home button, searching for your remote. Now it's searching. I don't know why people make these 10-minute videos when you just gotta hold the home button for about 10 seconds. And problem solved. Video's made. Have a good day. Give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. That's it. Now it says press start. Let's see if that worked. Okay, that took about 3 seconds, and then it worked. Or 3 seconds after that. So about a total of 25 seconds. Hold the home button. That's it. You're all set. Have a good day. Go program that remote.